Hello guys, it's episode video. Today I'm going to try and treat this question paper. Actually, this is a simple question paper that I want us to try solving today. But then on this question paper, they were creating an IPO for this question, but then we are going to code. We are going to write a program on this code. Enough talking now. Let's get to our BS. So let's read our question. A cylinder is one of the most basic geometric shapes. Figure 1 below shows a typical cylinder. A cylinder has a height and a radius. So basically, this is our cylinder. This is the picture of our cylinder. From these two properties, we can calculate both the surface area and volume of the cylinder using the following formula. This formula. So we are going to write a program where we're going to ask a program to a user to enter the height and the radius, then it will calculate the volume and the surface area. So guys, let's code. So since we're going to ask the user to enter something, we have to import the scanner method. Import the scanner method. Import util.Scanner. That's how you import the Java, the scanner class, the scanner method, guys. So then give it a name, public class. What name can we give it? Let's call it cylinder. You can name it anything you want, but then it must correspond with whatever you're doing. Oh, cylinder. The spelling. Sometimes so then now inside our class, we're going to write our main method. This is how you write the main method. It doesn't change. This is something you have to know. Like you have to know. Just like your name. You have to know this thing. This public static void main. Then now, inside our main method, that's where we write everything now. We first declare what we have. We declare what we have, what we're going to look for. So what are we going to look for? First, we're going to look for the volume. The volume will be, the data type of the volume will be double volume, and then close. And then what do we have? We also have the surface area. Let's just copy it. Control copy. And then it's also a double. And then what else? We also have our height and radius. Our height, it's an integer. Our height height. We also have our radius. It's also an integer. Radius. Yeah, radius sounds a lot better. Kawujwetsa mfana ra shapa sekgowa mfana ra bolela and we talk re sentsha le ka dinko mfana. And then now we have to ask the user now to enter the height and the radius. This is how you ask the user. There's print line and also print. You can choose which one to write, but I love using print line so that I can go like write my answer on the next line. Then print line will, when you let me show you. Okay, we'll display that when then enter. We ask the user to enter the height. Enter the height. And we forgot to call the scanner method. Scanner sc equals to new scanner System.in. This is also something that you should know. Like you should know, or when they say prompt the user, well, this has to be the object. And then now we give the user to a chance to enter the height. How do we do so? Say height, what we declared here as an integer height equals to sc, our object. Then we use this with sc.nextInt since it's an integer. Then down below, let me just copy this. So enter the radius. Lena o utlwele accent ya ona mfana ra ke le kgowa mfana ka dlala guys sekgowa sa re go batse. Still the same process, sc.next integer. So since now we have allowed our the user of this program to enter the height and the radius, then the next step after that it's to calculate. Now we're calculating our volume and our surface area. How do we do that? Say volume. We want our volume to be equal to our calculation now. This is a pi. So how do we write the pi? We use the the math method. Math dot. So how do we calculate our volume? We're going to say our pi. So our pi is going to be math dot pi times our radius. And remember, our radius is squared. And it's squared. So how are we going to write that squared? We're going to say math.pow. So inside our power, we're going to say radius squared. So this is going to square our radius times our height. So now we're done with our volume method. Then now we calculate our surface area. It's going to be 2 times our pi. Just copy this guy. And then times radius times our height. And then we close. Then the next step now, since we have calculated, now it's time to display now. Now we have to display our calculation. We have to show the user the answer now. It's more like a calculator. You enter our height, then you enter the radius, then boom, equals 2. Then it gives you the answer. Then you'll be like, wow. So now how are we going to display? Still System.out.println. Then let's say the volume is and then concatenate plus our volume. So then let's just write it on one line, right? Yeah, on one line. Plus, then you can do this to go to the next line. So like whatever we're going to write after this is going to be beneath this answer, the first answer. So say that, then the surface area is 20 feet. So adjust. Yeah, this. The surface area is, and then concatenate surface area. And then yeah, you're done with your program. And then now you save and compile to see if we don't have any errors. Yeah, save, I know. Control V. Now let's check. Let's check. This is where you check or on a little problems where So we don't have any errors. So let's see, Java, Control V, enter the height. Let's say the height is 12. Enter the radius, 18. Then it gives you the answer. It gives you the answer. So, as I said, or it will explain print the print line. So print line, the one or more print line, it's like on print it says enter the height, then it allows you to enter the height here on the next line. But then when using print line, then let's clear screen, run. Okay, did we save? Yeah, I did save. Enter the height 12. You see, it's allowing you to enter the height on the same line as that statement you wrote, or enter the whatsoever. And then let's continue that one. Then it's 18, allows you to enter, then it gives you the answer. So let's allow the answer to be let's round the answer to 2 decimal places. So since our answer is too long, let's cut it into 2 decimal places. Let's put it to 2 decimal places. So here we're going to import java.text.decimal So we're going to import the decimal format. And then also write that even this one, it's something you should know how to invoke it. Decimal format, just say df equals to new. Yeah, and then here we're going to say df.format. Copy it. Yeah, ne? And then yep, then save, go back, clear screen, and then compile. Okay, there's something that we're missing. Oh, we called our object so in save now. Then go back. Now you see now there's no problems now. And then you compile. You are doing the right things. I am just joking, guys. Then it was 12, 18. Yep. Hey, I forgot something. Sorry, guys, I forgot this. To tell it over again, into how many decimal place? Ish. We make mistakes, guys. We human, man. Ish. But at least if you practice, ne, then those mistakes all in the exam room, it will be so easy to notice them. Okay, yeah, you see, now the answer is in 2 decimal place. So yeah, guys, that's it, guys. We have solved our question paper, and this is the results of how we did it. This is the code. So guys, don't worry about the code. I'll I'll post it down the description below, guys. So guys, thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Can you please subscribe, guys? Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Just click that big button there, guys. You can see it, guys. So thank you, guys.